December 7th, 2020 Daily Math Review. A child is 48 inches tall. How tall is the child in feet? All right, so remember, we have our conversions. So let's use our boxes over here on the right and see how tall the child is in feet. So remember, here's what we're starting with. It says our child is 48 inches tall. I'm going to highlight that. So I'm going to put 48 inches. IN is an abbreviation for inches tall. I'm going to put 48 inches in our first box. Remember, I can always turn it into a fraction by putting a 1 in the denominator. Now we have 48 inches over 1 whole. Now, what are we trying to get to? Well, we're trying to get to see how tall the child is in feet. So I'm going to highlight the feet here. So now we need to do our we need to multiply by, well, however many inches are in a feet. So we're going from inches, we're trying to get to feet. So if we look back at our conversion chart, remember there's 12 inches in 1 foot. So in our chart here, for 1 foot, we're going to have 12 inches. Remember and notice how I put the inches diagonally so that they can essentially cross out because anything divided by itself is 1. All right, so when we multiply straight across, because we're multiplying fractions, 48 times 1 is 48. Also, remember, we can cross off the inches because inches divided by inches is 1. So we can keep that inches here. Ooh, that's okay. All right, so the inches we are canceling out because anything divided by itself is itself. So 48 times 1 is 48. We're going to keep that feet because remember, that's also what we are trying to get to. So 48 feet divided by 1 times 12 is 12. And we don't have any measurement of unit on the measurement on the bottom because we already were able to cancel out those inches because we're trying to get to only feet. Now we have 48 divided by 12. 48 divided by 12. Well, remember our 12 times 4 is going to be that 48. So 48 divided by 12 is 4. Now, what is our measurement of unit that we were trying to get to? Feet, and we keep that feet. So 4 feet. So our answer, our child, is 4 feet tall. And that's it for our daily math review.